In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms with multiple pages, a handy tool for organizing your data more effectively. Let's dive straight in and get started with what you need to know. First things first, head over to Google Drive. If you don't already have it open in your browser, go ahead and navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you're going to want to create a new form. And to do that, start by clicking on the New button on the left hand side of the page. After you've clicked on New, a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select Google Forms. You'll find this option under the More submenu. If it isn't immediately visible, clicking on it will take you to a new form, and from here you'll be choosing Blank Form to create your own template from scratch. Now it's time to name your form. This could be anything relevant to the purpose of your form or the information you're gathering. A simple title will go a long way in helping you identify the form later on. After naming the form, you'll want to add your first question. A good starting point is something like full name. Once you've typed in your question, make sure to select short answer as the type of response. This format is ideal for names or any other brief entries. To ensure that this field isn't skipped over, click on the required toggle. This option will mandate that respondents must fill out this field before submitting the form. Moving along, add another question by clicking on Add Question. Here you might want to enter something that allows for multiple choice answers. To do this, type in your question, choose multiple choice for the response type, and then start adding your options. Remember to mark the required toggle again if you want this question to be mandatory. As you're building out the form, you can start separating it into sections to enhance readability and organization. Click on Add Sections to introduce a new part of the form. This can be particularly useful if your form covers various topics or requires different types of questions. With a new section added, you'll repeat the steps to add a question, typing out the query, and deciding the response format, either multiple choice or another option depending on what information you're after. Add the relevant options and continue adding sections and questions as needed. Once all questions and sections are set, you'll move on to configuring the form to route users through different sections based on their answers. This feature is accessed by clicking Go to Section based on answer for a question of your choice. This setting allows for a dynamic flow of questions based on respondents' answers. To finish up, it's time to publish and preview your form. Click on Publish to make the form live and preview to ensure everything looks and functions as you intended. And there you have it, a comprehensively built Google form with multiple pages.